Okay, Gracie. So we saw that
Bread.
when we sneezed, all of the bread, even the bread that was covered from our sneeze, got slimy. But the stuff that wasn't covered when we sneezed got slimy and stinky. So where do you think that slimy stinkiness comes from? It could have come from the milk. It could have come from the bread. It could have come from the air. It could have come from something in the air. But what's weird is that it's not like we could see it. We couldn't see your sneeze. And we couldn't see the bread was all stinky. And we couldn't see or smell the milk. So whatever it was must have been really, really small, don't you think?
Yes.
And it got really, really big and smelly. So how do we figure out which one it is? If it's the bread, you're right. We're going to test them all. So we've got a couple different things here. We took some isopropyl alcohol and some paper towel. And what Gracie helped me do was clean the inside of these little pieces of Tupperware. And you can see one's just normal. One has a piece of tubing sticking straight out, and it's not closed or anything. It's just, you can see all the way into it. And one has tubing that's looped, and it's not closed. It's not squeezed shut or anything, but it's looped. Dear. So we're going to put a half a cup of milk, just like we did last time. Okay, honey, can you pour it in? Very beautiful. And you can just put that cup in the sink. I was going to do dishes. Okay, and then can you get 2 level scoops of the nutritional yeast? Yep, that'll be a teaspoon. Because the spoon is only half a teaspoon. Nice. Yeah.
Another one?
Another one, yep. Oh yeah, you can kind of use your finger and brush off the excess.
Oh, a knife or something?
Oh yeah, you could use a knife too. And then in that you're fine, honey. You don't need any more. And then in that last little spoon right there is a little bit of salt. Can you pour that in? Okay, and then we're going to fill this up with water, and I'm going to have you mix.
Water now?
Oh, hang on. Let Mommy do it. 1 second. We're going to put a little piece of homemade bread into each one. And then, can you take this little spoon and can you mix that just a little bit? The water and the milk and the yeast extract and the salt. Yeah, just take a little bit. Let's see. Maybe, yeah, you want to do one more? Okay. Can you do 2 into the other 2 as well? Nice. So if you put 2 scoops into 3 containers, how many scoops did you do altogether?
2.
2 plus 2 is?
1.
No, 2 plus 2 is 4, right? 2 is 4. And then 2 more is?
5.
6. Okay, all done. No, all done. We heated up the one that's sealed. Yes, we sure can.
Can I put it
You sure can.
in hot?
No, not yet.
Ooh.
See how it does. Let's heat up the last one, honey. All right, there's number 2. Okay, so we heated up all 3, didn't we? All right, so you ready to take these down in the basement? You know what I think we should do first? I think you should sneeze on them. All right, good sneeze.